Hey, Dustin here, Smokin' Eagles Rod Shop, back with another video for you guys. Now, we just backed Carmen out of the shop here. We got her all shined up, tuned up, and ready for Cletus and Cars 2024 Burnout Competition in Indianapolis, Indiana. Now, if you're new to the channel, that's what we've been preparing for like the last 4 or 5 months. We've been working on the 455. We've tuned it up. We've made it stage 1 and really brought this thing to life. I can't explain to you guys how well this thing runs. I can't wait to put it in the burnout pit down there. And yeah, we're running a carburetor. There's no LS, there's no fuel injection. It's just me, a big old carburetor, and a big old tank of fuel, and we're gonna go out there and we're gonna pop tires and light fires. So I hope you guys are excited. I am. I'm gonna take you guys behind the scenes. This is actually Thursday before the event. We're gonna get down there a day early so we can be first guys in the gate on Friday and get everything all set up so we can hang out and chill for as long as humanly possible. But I want to give you guys kind of the background, ins and outs of it. You know, what does it take to get there? You know, what is all kind of entailed in that? Because most videos and a lot of stuff online, they don't really give you that background kind of you're part of the crew feeling where, you know, it's just kind of like, I'm Bill, here's my race car, and then the next clip, Bill's driving around a racetrack. But what happens in the middle there? And I'm not gonna try and bore you, so I'm gonna try and condense it down a little bit, but I just want you guys to see what kind of goes into that. I do want to thank all of you guys for supporting me, whether you're on your computer, your cell phone, or maybe you're on your laptop at work. Anyway, we appreciate you. You're one of the crew, and we're gonna take you with us. So yeah, let's get on this thing. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you. Jason's gonna be swinging by here in a little bit to pick up the Elko. He's gonna meet us down there. So, hey, this is guaranteed to be a party if the Elko's in there. So, anyway, I gotta get loading stuff so we can get the hell out of here. Alright guys, so we got the back of the truck loaded. Now we gotta load the car. Adam showed up, the old redneck hobbit. He's gonna be helping us out this weekend with some recording and all the fun stuff. Hang out, enjoy the festivities. There's Matt, figured I'd get him in the camera instead of behind the camera. And yeah, I think we're ready to load this thing on the trailer and maybe leave. I think we need to stop at Walmart now and pick up a few things. And there'll probably be like 4 more things that come up before we actually leave. You know how that stuff goes. But we're headed the right direction. Alright guys, so we got the car trailer all loaded up, got Carmen on the trailer. We had to run to Walmart and pick up a, I don't know, foldy chair, some ice, some pop, you know, random junk that, you know, you think you gotta have. And yeah, I think we're all ready to go. Oh, we had to fix the tow vehicle. I had to get my tonneau cover done. And yeah, other than that, I think we're ready to hit the road. What do you think, guys? Are we ready or what?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Carmen ready? Oh, we got the windows rolled up in Carmen in case we run through a thunderstorm or something. Other than that, we got the tires aired up. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, time to hit the brakes. Let's go, boys. Westbound and down. Well, we made it to Indy right in time for rush hour traffic. And yeah, we're headed to Dave & Buster's. According to my GPS, we're 19 miles away, which is only approximately 60 minutes. So we'll be there eventually. We've been going over songs, trying to figure out what our entrance song should be for Carmen. We've kind of got a couple songs we're thinking about. What was it, guy? What were we thinking about?
Thunderstruck,
Highway to Hell, and Vice Grip by Parkway Drive. Now the list is not limited to those three. Those are just the three that we've come up so far that are on our list of finalists. Maybe we should go to what, 5 and then start narrowing them down. But I really like Highway to Hell, and I like Vice Grip by Parkway Drive because it's different and it's hardcore. But yeah.
get a little side peek of what that on-ramp was like.
Yeah. There's a guy over here kicking rocks at the concrete barrier. And he's got a little vest on. When we get up to him, we'll give him a Smokin' Eagles Rod Shop sticker.
But you're telling me all this traffic clears out eventually?
Yeah, in like 2 hours.
That's right.
A Smokin' Eagles Rod Shop sticker on his hard hat would be awesome. Watch this. Hey, bud. Hey, you want a sticker for your hat? It's our YouTube channel, man. We'll be racing this thing this weekend at Lucas Oil Raceway Park in the Burnouts.
Oh, yeah, bud.
Yeah, you have to check it out.
That's cool. What,
Yep.
That Lucas?
Yep, Cletus McFarland. You know Cletus?
No.
Yeah, you just look it up. It's all over the internet, man.
Oh, yeah,
Lucas Oil Raceway Park. Have a good afternoon.
They didn't have any oil in
Woo.
I don't know what you're talking
We just got out of the traffic
it.
jam.
Straight sixes. They did a test on them, and they drained all the oil out of them, and they ran them the same as they did, like, you know, the 350.
Just
I
kidding.
thought we were out of that traffic jam.
That's why I just told the camera. I flipped it around. I said, we're out of the traffic jam. Then I flipped it back around. I said, just kidding.
Adam's over here trying to convince me some Jeep's worth having, but I don't buy it.
No. I'm talking about the straight sixes. They were
You
worth
just
having.
like to take the doors off. You think you're special.
They were the best engines ever made.
I'm gonna take the doors off. If you wait long enough, they'll fall off.
Actually, no. If I had a Wrangler, I wouldn't take the doors off. I'd be too afraid to. Somebody in traffic like this hit me in the side, I'd be dead.
Yeah.
Real
If I got
talk.
a door on there, I'm not too worried about it.
All right, guys. So we made it to Indy. We're out here at Dave & Buster's. I think we're gonna go in and play some video games, maybe drink a couple cold snacks, and then head towards a hotel somewhere. And yeah, it was a pretty good trip. We met a guy on the highway in a traffic jam. I gave him a sweet sticker for his hard hat. And Adam tried to convince us about some Jeep that's kind of cool at some point,
Yeah.
some way, somehow. I didn't believe most of it, but hey, it is what it is. Yeah. We all know what BMW stands for, and if you don't, look it up, because I shouldn't have to tell you. Anyway, we're gonna go grab some grub. We'll catch you guys here in a little bit. Well, guys, we just got out of Dave & Buster's. I ate way too much food. Fun was had,
Fun was had.
bad decisions were made.
For me.
I happened to have a ton of tickets and got a shark hand. Super cool. I don't know why I wouldn't have a shark hand. I might even use this in the burnout pit, just, you know, for a little extra leverage on the wheel. I don't know. But Matt
On the other hand.
here, on the other hand, he makes solid decisions.
Ugh.
We happened to run into a Pickle Rick. And I said, hey, that matches Carmen. And I'm not allowed to have passengers, but Pickle Rick in the back seat would be pretty boss. And Matt made the, what would you call that?
Executive?
Executive decision there that he decided that he would like Pickle Rick for all his own if he survives the burnout pit.
If he
So
survives.
we now are the proud adopters of a Pickle Rick. He was tied up, guys.
He was.
He was tied up
the back room.
and captive in the back room. He wasn't even allowed to come out and play with the other customers. So now we're gonna give Pickle Rick a good life. This trip, we haven't even made it to the burnout pit, and it is completely out of control. My wife is gonna regret letting us come here alone. All jokes aside though, guys, we had a great time. Adam's behind the camera. I think he had a good time too. We played all the racing games. We're not good at any of them, so I didn't get any practice in for tomorrow. And now we're gonna go attempt to find a hotel because we parked the burnout car right next to a giant solar powered security thing. It's dark out now, so clearly it's not working anymore. The car's still there, so we need to dip out. Try and find this hotel. Got anything to add?
No.
You got anything to add, Adam? No? All right. Well, the adventure continues. Yeah, the short beds are hard to find now. Everybody's cutting down long beds. And hard. Yeah. They didn't used to be worth much. Now there it is. I believe it. Just gotta be careful up around the motor.
Yeah, I didn't spray anything near.
Okay. I'm gonna climb up here. Give Carmen a bath, man. She's gonna be on TV. We're gonna be on pay-per-view, baby. She's gotta get the back end all shined up.
Just in case she hits the wall again.
Oh, she's not gonna hit the wall this time, Mac. That was what you call a love tap.
Mac Daddy. Buttman.
What do you think, guys?
Looks good to me.
Perfect.
Get out on the highway. Get your motor running. Get your Prius out of my way.
Who drives a Prius?
That looks like antifreeze.
That looks like he.
If it's that color, go to the doctor.
I thought that's the color it's supposed to be.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. That's not good. Start turning it.
All right, guys, we are here. We made it to our hotel. We did take a couple wrong turns. It happens. One time, big old jet was like, shh, and we were all like, whoa, and then I was like, I was supposed to turn. But it happens. No big deal. We're here. It's dark out. We parked right out front because the car looks cool. First thing in the morning, we are gonna head out to Cletus and Cars, and yeah, I'll start talking to you guys tomorrow about what we got going on over there. Should be an action-packed day, like I've been, telling you guys for the last few videos or content or whatnot. Vanduro and blah blah blah, Indy 800, all the cool stuff, drag strip action. Can't wait. So I'm gonna go, edit this video, get some shut-eye. I hope you guys enjoyed our goofy little trip down here, and we'll see you tomorrow. Peace.